Welcome back to Quiet Mind with Ken. As we move closer to the holiday season, food often becomes a central part of our celebrations and gatherings. But in the rush of holiday preparations and festivities, it's easy to lose touch with how we eat, and we often find ourselves rushing through meals without paying attention to our bodies. Tonight, we're going to talk about mindful eating, a way to slow down, connect with the food on your plate, and enjoy your meals with more awareness. This is especially helpful as the holidays approach, allowing us to cultivate balance and mindfulness during a time that can be busy and overwhelming. Mindful eating is the practice of being fully present while you eat, paying attention to the experience of the food in front of you, the flavors, textures, and how your body feels as you eat. It's about slowing down, letting go of distractions, and truly savoring each bite. During the holidays, when we're often surrounded by an abundance of food and celebration, mindful eating can help us reconnect with the experience of eating, enjoy our meals more fully, and make choices that feel good for our bodies. I used to be someone who rushed through meals, especially during busy times like the holidays. Between work deadlines, family gatherings, and trying to manage everything, food becomes something I ate quickly, without much thought. But when I started practicing mindful eating, I noticed a huge difference. By slowing down and paying attention to each bite, I found myself enjoying food more, feeling more satisfied, and actually eating less because I was more in tune with my body's signals. It became a moment of calm in the middle of a busy day. During the holidays, it's easy to get caught up in overeating, indulging, and sometimes feeling guilty about our food choices. But mindful eating helps us shift our relationship with food from one of guilt or stress to one of enjoyment and balance. When we eat mindfully, we're more likely to listen to our body's signals, knowing when we're hungry, when we're full, and what foods truly nourish us. This helps us enjoy the holidays without the added stress or regret that sometimes come with holiday eating. Let's talk about how you can start practicing mindful eating, especially as we move into the holiday season. Here are a few simple tips you can try, whether you're at a family dinner, a holiday party, or even just enjoying a quiet meal at home. 1. Eat slowly. One of the simplest ways to practice mindful eating is to slow down. Take small bites, chew your food thoroughly, and take pauses between bites to really experience the flavors and textures. 2. Tune into your body's hunger signals. Before you eat, take a moment to ask yourself, am I truly hungry? Or am I eating because it's in front of me? Tuning into your hunger and fullness cues can help you eat more in alignment with what your body needs. 3. Limit distractions. Try to eat without distractions. Put your phone away, turn off the TV, and focus on your meal. By being present with your food, you'll enjoy the experience more and feel more connected to your body. 4. Savor each bite. Take time to really taste your food. Notice the flavors, textures, and aromas. The more you savor each bite, the more satisfied you'll feel, and the less likely you are to overeat. Let's take a moment now to reflect on how we can bring more mindfulness into our eating. Close your eyes if you can, and take a deep breath in and out. As you breathe, think about your relationship with food. Do you find yourself rushing through meals or eating while distracted? Now imagine sitting down for your next meal with full presence. Picture yourself taking small, mindful bites, savoring the flavors, and feeling gratitude for the food in front of you. With each breath in, imagine bringing more mindfulness into your meals. And with each breath out, release any stress or guilt you may have around eating. This is your time to reconnect with your body and enjoy the experience of eating with awareness. As we prepare for the holiday season, I invite you to practice mindful eating, taking small moments to reconnect with your body and savor your meals. By doing so, you can find balance, enjoy the flavors of the season, and feel more at peace with your food choices. Thank you for joining me tonight on Quiet Mind with Ken. As you prepare for sleep, take one more deep breath in and let it out. Rest knowing that you can bring mindfulness into your eating, creating a more balanced and peaceful relationship with food. Until next time, take care and remember, mindful eating is a gift you can give yourself every day.